highest number of masajid in the West for Jum'ah prayers. 3-4 congregations are conducted, and we see that one of the congregations is done before Dhuhr time. Is this allowed? Wallahi, يعني to have more than one Jum'ah in one masjid, Allahu Alam, but the Jum'ah before the Dhuhr time, this is يعني one of the opinions, okay, this is Hanbali madhab, that the Jum'ah can be before the Dhuhr time. Jum'ah can be before the Dhuhr time. يعني also, if you notice here in Kuwait, some masajid, the khutbah starts before the Dhuhr adhan in 2 or 3 or 5 minutes. Or يعني we have here one masjid in Bayan, maybe 10 minutes, the khutbah. So the Jum'ah can be before the Dhuhr adhan. This is one of the opinions in fiqh. They have their proof, but majority scholars say this is not allowed.